Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as many of you already know, I moved from Florida to Georgia. And in this video, I just want to share a little bit of the hard work that goes into moving from one state to another. First and foremost, I just want to say thank you to all whom subscribe to my channel. Thank you for my longtime subscribers, and a very special shout out and a welcome to those who have recently subscribed. I appreciate your support. So this is the house that I just sold and moved from. This house was a 5,200 square foot home, 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. We love the home, but it was just time to move on and do something else. And Georgia became our landing spot. So we hired this company. Good Greek is the name. If you're in the Central Florida area, do look them up. They have quality service and they'll give you a quality price. Timeline is great. Schedule is great. They really go out of their way to work with you based on the size of your home, what it is that you need them to move, and the location you need your things moved to. So right now, all of my belongings are in storage. I'm due to receive them in my new home in a couple of days, but I'm just sharing with you these random pics of all of the spaces that they had to pack out in order to get us ready. You never know how much stuff you have until it's time to put it all in a box and take it away. This is our master bedroom, or this was our master bedroom, and as you can see, we're down to, I call it small pickings. It's those things that you're like, what do we do with this? What kind of box can we put this in? But for the most part, this move took approximately 3 days in order to pack everything up, move it out, box it up. They have a team of about 7 people here, start to finish, 8 till about 5, 6, maybe a little bit later than 6 on the first day. And they really did an awesome job with packing all of our furniture, wrapping our items. There were some things that needed a little special care, and they took care of that as well. So far, I'm happy with the service that we have been provided. We will receive our belongings at final destination in Georgia, and I am looking forward to getting our items back. You know how it is when you're moving. Stuff is kind of all over the place, and this is what you see in this picture right here. But we indeed did get it done. Again, I want to say thank you for continuing to watch this video, and if you are not one of my subscribers, please click your subscribe button, turn on your notification bell, so that you too will be notified each time I upload a video. I want to invite you to come along and join me on my journey from Florida to Georgia and watch how I turn our new house into a very quaint and cozy home. We're almost totally out of Florida now, and again, as I said, it's only the last few things that we have to pack up. This is the entryway to the home. It kind of was a surreal moment. I'm like, wow, this was home. But again, it's time to move on. It's time to go to something else or somewhere else. And that's exactly what we did. I'm just going to continue to show these shots to you to give you an idea of all the work that went into packing approximately 25,000 pounds. Every little piece, everything had to be packed away. And some of the things, the Christmas things, we did ourselves. As many of you know, I am a home decor enthusiast, so just my home decor items and decorations and all of that was several thousand pounds by itself. But we're thankful, we're grateful, we're transitioning from the Sunshine State to the Peach State, and we're just excited about what's in store for us. I'm showing you the pictures where they're down to the wire. The trucks are getting ready to be loaded, and with that, I'm going to share with you the final pictures of how this project all came together, or this move out all came together, and everything was clean and clear in order to sell this house to the new buyer. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, everything is spotless. Everything has been packed away. The trucks have been loaded. It's time to say goodbye. This space was my formal living room area, overlooking the patio and the pool. Here's a wider shot. It was open concept home. Here's a different shot looking into the master bedroom and the computer office. Here's the other side of the house where it was the kitchen and a family room. One last look at the house. One final goodbye to this house. This is Freddie. I'm Freddie King's Home Decor, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.